Hi, a little bird told me it was your birthday, so I have come to wish you a happy birthday from your little bird friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. From one bird to another, happy birthday to you. If you would like to hire me, I can sing happy birthday to your special friend. Hire me to sing happy birthday to your special friend. Give me a call and set up a time when I can sing happy birthday to your special friend, or I can send them a link. Hire me to either come to your special friend to wish them a happy birthday personally from you, or I can send them a link wishing them a happy birthday personally from you. Call me today, 404-964-1043, and this little bird will sing to your little bird.